So hello, I'm Mr. Soren Winter from the Danish company CES. I'm their sales director to introduce Kevlar International to America and Canada. We show you around, show you our products. We're introducing the EVO series to the States, which is starting with on here you have the EVO E30, the EVO E4L, which is ideal for flat screens. We have the subwoofer and the center speaker. We have the E45, which was introduced at the IFA, the black one here, a bigger version of the E34. We have the black E5, the center speaker, and the new subwoofer, which is a 2.1, which means we can amplify these two speakers, for instance, and use one of our table radios as a source, and it makes a very, very nice compact system. It is, of course, remote controlled. And a bit further on, we've got the EVO E4 that I think most people know very well by now. We are introducing this very nice stand, which goes with it. All the nice colors that people have seen. Our table radios, which of course started with the Uno, a very classical design from the 50s. The Duo, which is a clock radio. We have the Trio, which is a DAB radio. The Quattro, which was last year elected as the best internet radio in the world. The Cinque, which is a CD radio, and reintroducing our Uno to go, of course, a portable version of the Uno radio. Here is probably the biggest success we have had since its introduction on IFA this year. The Ampster, our very small, cute amplifier, which comes in a very good package, has been a very good success in all the shops where it's been since IFA. So definitely our biggest success in introducing products these last years. We also still have our two mini systems, the MCS 600, which is a stereo CD receiver, and this black one is the MCS 650, which is a stereo DVD receiver. And then we have the Clarity range. Nothing changed there, still a beautiful high gloss speaker, very good quality. And you can see it here shown with the separate models from the 200 series. And also something which was introduced on IFA this year is the Net 200, which is an internet radio, which is Wi-Fi and DAB or FM. Here we have, well, maybe we should talk first about the Prestige model. That's our flagship, the best speaker we have ever made in the company, using very, very good elements. For instance, the Revelator tweeter, the best tweeter made in Scanspeak in Denmark. And it has been a great success. On IFA, we were happy to sell totally the first production, so we're waiting desperately for the new ones coming home. And we have had good recognition from the market. People really have acknowledged that the quality is very good and that the design is fantastic, which is very important for the women's acceptance factor. So we are very, very happy with this model. And I chose to speak about the Prestige first, so that I can explain that the Lounge series is very inspired by the Prestige. It is a cheaper version, of course, which doesn't mean it's cheap. The Prestige are about $6,000 for one pair here in the United States. And the Lounge series, the 26, which is this floor standing, will be around half price of the Prestige, carrying the same characteristics and thereby very close in sound, but half the price of the Prestige. So it is kind of in family with the Prestige. And we have the Lounge 6 here, which is a smaller version, of course, and still in the same family, using a tweeter which is close to the Prestige and therefore with a very high quality in sound, and that will be around $1,500 for one pair here in the United States. It is shown here with the 200 series in black, still with the Net 200 internet radio, with the CD and a normal tuner and the Amp 2 already knows. And we are making a demonstration of the Prestige here and have until now had very, very good reactions from all the people who've listened to them. That's about what we had to say here from the CES. Thank you for coming, thank you for listening.